Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming fit and immediate readiness. You measure or compare sizes, then clean and dry your hands so the fabric grips. Once done, align the seam with your middle finger base and slide the grip on palm first until it rests snugly against your palm. Make small adjustments so the finger holes sit comfortably. You want contact without pinching. This first move sets the foundation for secure control and prevents shifting during use. Now you refine the fit and lock things into place. Start by tightening straps in small steps, checking that circulation stays normal. You'll feel immediate feedback if it's too tight. Make sure the cushioning sits over pressure points and the finger openings allow full mobility. Then move your wrist and fingers through the full range of motion. Flex, extend, grip, so you confirm it doesn't bind or shift. If necessary, recenter padding and retighten until movement feels natural. Finish by testing the grip under realistic conditions. You start with light practice reps, then raise intensity to ensure comfort and control. Make maintenance part of your routine. Hand wash gently and air dry flat to keep elasticity and padding intact. If problems arise, here's a key troubleshooting tip. If the grip slips, recheck alignment and strap tension, and consider a thin adhesive tape under the palm for temporary anti-slip support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.